just to add up to show that it's working. So I put a PC fan. Obviously it's a 6-volt battery, but as you can see, it runs. So I would say it's worth doing. This one goes very crazy, but it's been discharged and it's charged again. So when I'm gonna discharge that one, I will do the same thing to this one to revolve the battery or recycle it, and then 2 more times and will be good. This one is being charged through the solar panel, so it gives you the voltage, but it's very low amperage. I think 1.2 or something like that amps, or less than that, but it gives you high voltage. So this is good for that one because I don't have a charger which you can put 1 amp. This is the lowest, which goes 1.2, and this is have to be 0 point something. So I just left it on solar panel charge. This one will run till it dies. When it dies, I will just put it back on charge again. So let's start.